Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Are you a trader trading in index futures, especially BankNifty futures? Here are the key levels to watch out for a BankNifty weekly expiry. BankNifty previous close 46,449. The major supports now placed at 46,100, followed by 46,050, followed by 45,989. The resistance placed at 46,700, followed by 46,830, followed by 46,918. Max pain remains at 46,940 and India VIX stands at 14.11. These levels are derived from open interest data. That's it for now. Wish you all a happy and safe trading. Take care.